The fourth stage of love is called al-ishq, ishq, desire. Love now engulfs the heart of the lover entirely and takes it as its residence, such that love and the heart in which it resides become intimately familiar with one another. Now, this love is said to blind the lover to any faults in the beloved. It blinds you from any faults in your beloved. Now, words in Arabic beginning with the root letters ayn and sheen, like this word, ishq, convey various ideas, and often they are associated with ishq. Like asha means to remain in the nest, like a bird remaining in the nest. And ashiba means to be covered by something. And ashara means to become familiar with. And asha, to become blind. So the two root letters ayn and sheen signify respectively the origin of something. The word ayn means a spring or source, and diffusing throughout something, like the manner of articulation of the sheen in Arabic phonetics. We call that at-tafashi, a diffusion or a spreading to make it easier. So the word ishq is love which has discovered the source organ of love, the heart, and has diffused throughout it. That is what ishq is about. That ayn, that spring, that sheen, that spreading, and that alaqa, that attachment, that hawa, how it started, that kalaf, infatuation, it builds up to what we call ishq, a strong desire which has discovered the source organ of love, the heart, and has diffused throughout it. And that is number 4, that is ishq.